Welcome to beautiful Roatan, Honduras. Can you tell where we are by looking at that, eyesore, if you will? We are entering West End Village, and we are at Half Moon Bay, and that, in fact, is a boat called the Eyesore, which is a really fun rope swing if you, like to live dangerously or know when to let go, or you might break a hip. So I wanted to do an updated tour of West End and all the development that's been happening, and just how, this is one of the most walkable neighborhoods. This is one of the most famous, right behind West Bay, where where a lot of the cruise ship traffic goes and things. But this is more of, it's not a backpacker area because that's Utila, but this is more of where people come on the island, stay for maybe a little bit longer than a week, but it's a walkable community. It's actually kind of a pain to even have a vehicle over here because of the lack of parking. So this is a very walkable neighborhood. I've lived in West End Village for many, many years as a single female. Never had any issues, so that's another nice thing. It's a nice, relatively safe area. And this is famous Half Moon Bay. It's probably our most famous bay other than West Bay, but that's kind of more of a beach, if you will. That's the peninsula with a lot of beautiful homes, great dive shops, there's a lot of cool things, a lot of island style food, shopping, things of that nature. So this is actually, we're looking west. I know, shocking. And this is actually the road that you can walk on. I'm actually filming in the afternoon on a Sunday. I'm trying to change it up a little bit so you can see the crowd, see if it's trafficy, things of that nature. So if you are coming to this island or thinking about relocating, you get a little bit more of a real snapshot of what it actually looks like on the island, not just at 9 a.m. or at 7:30 when the sun is really nice, or 2 o'clock. This is actually a Sunday afternoon. You can still see there's a decent bit of boat traffic, maybe some people driving a little bit more recklessly than ideal, especially for a Sunday, but that's a whole nother video in and of itself. But I just want to show you how absolutely stunning this island is. It never gets old. These are some of my favorite dive sites. If you know me, I like to go to Moonlight Lighthouse to do a Half Moon Bay wall drift. If you dive with me, you will probably do that, and Dixie's. At least, if it's up to me, we do that many, many times. It's one of my favorite dive sites on the island, and, we just passed it. But also wanted to show all of the different neighborhoods. So basically what we're covering right now, so where the drone is, not where I am. I'm not that high. Not right now. So this is Sunset Villas. It's on the end of West End. We are not all the way at the end, but we're at the Sunset Villas area, which is a neighborhood that we do cover quite extensively because there's a lot of homes. But this is the water taxi dock right here. And now we're going back to the Half Moon Bay, and we're at the peninsula, where this is where you're going to find most of the restaurants and things to do, nightlife, bars, things of that nature. That's a little bit of a jet ski. And you know what? If you drive like that, you're going to run right into the iron shore, and it's not going to feel super great. Anyway, that's me getting older and wiser and maybe a little cranky. So now what we're looking at is Half Moon Bay, but we're coming from looking over at the east side of the neighborhoods, which we don't always see because a lot of it is more, it's the Half Moon Bay area. You have your, one of the most famous bars is the Sundowners Beach Bar. You have the Beach House, which is a nice boutique hotel that's just been newly renovated right next door. Nobody pays me for these things, so if you want to, you're more than welcome to, but I think after 17 years, they know that I'm going to come there anyway, so why not why pay me to say my truth? So now we're basically at the West End T, and just wanted to show a little bit of how we get there. This is one of the parking lots, one of 3 that are available that charge various rates. Where you see those cars actually aren't driving that fast. We're on 2x speed, but there are some crazy drivers known to be in Roatan. But this is kind of the T off to West Bay, and also the T to go into West End. You can also see some wheelies occurring right now in West in Half Moon Bay. And now we're going to take a little bit of a tour toward where we don't see as often, is if we go past Sundowners. I know it's shocking. So many people fall into the the warp hole or the wormhole that is when you pass sundowners, you just stop because it's delicious food and a bar and live music and yoga and lots of fun things. And so not many people make it past sundowners. However, if you are the select few that does make it past your journey in Half Moon Bay, we're over on the east side of the West End area, which is more quiet residential area. Lots of hotels, boutique Airbnbs, things of that nature. And it's nice and quiet back here. There's nothing loud that you do see in some other areas of West End. There is a curfew here, a noise ordinance that is well kept. So if you ever have any questions or want to see different areas of Roatan, we're going to go neighborhood by neighborhood. So thank you for tuning in.